I'm just sorting out what Japanese yen I have for the day, and it's really confusing going from Korean won to Japanese yen because the top one is Korean won and it's only worth about $1, but the bottom one is a much higher price. It's worth $10. So it's really hard to grasp your head around this because have a look at the $5. This here is a 500 yen and that is worth $5. So they basically got $5 coins, whereas 500 won was 50 cents.
Kia whanau, so we're currently in the 100 yen store just down the road from our house in Osaka, and we just did a load of washing which worked out to be about what's that, 1,100 yen. Well, it's not bad. I did a wash and dry combo all in one go, and then we're going to get some food, and then this is our first day here, so we decided that we're going to go to the big food alleyway later on for dinner, looking for a Japanese knife, and we're trying to get towels because all the places we've been to only use like hand towels. That's all we have to use to dry ourselves, and we're big boys, so we're trying to find some full-size towels that we can take with us because we're here for 2 weeks. So we just finished at the market. It's like a superette, Kamada or something like that. So we're just at the superette market to get some breakfast, and for about 800 yen I got puddings, 4 different meal items, like meat on a stick, yes, meat on a stick, and some of this super soft bread.
Hey guys, I'm in the laundromat. We just finished doing our laundry, so now I can go home and get properly dressed because it's super hot in here. The boys washing is still going. I'm done, so I'm gonna go home now. Hopefully I can remember how to get home because I don't. This is my lunch. I got it for 850 yen. So I got sushi, which is crab, kiwi fruit, pork on a stick, a dessert, and 2 drinks. This one's a banana milk and this one's a chocolate milk. So this is banana milk. You can tell it's banana because it has. Here you go, there's the banana.
That's a fat ass bread though.
That bread is thick. Look at the curves. Trying this, it's called a leafy pie. It looks like a graham cracker, like how you'd have a s'more. Like a s'more. And then you just put marshmallow in it. Just went to this store. It's amazing. It's like Japanese Kmart. And I biked here on this bike. Okay. That way?
Yeah, just don't get hit. Alright, so we just made it to Dotonbori. We are now in Dotonbori, Osaka, and looking to get some food and do some other stuff. And it is just packed full of people with lots of awesome, cool looking things. Woo! So we've got takoyaki here, which is an octopus fried batter ball with bento flakes and sauce on it.
There's some fake food. It just shows you what you can order, but it's actually fake.
We're waiting now. We had to wait in line for a bit, and we're just sitting down, waiting for our turn to go into the conveyor belt sushi shop. Raw cuttlefish with roe, and this one is fatty bluefin tuna. I spent maybe 2,200 yen on all my sushi, and I'm fatty tuna rolls. Yeah, and I'm not embarrassed, but it's beautiful. It was really dangerous for me because if you look, they just keep coming and it doesn't stop. And I love food. Oh, now they're bringing out shrimp tempura. Oh, what to do? It's so delicious. The tuna is beautiful.
I found this one that makes you look like Spider-Man, and apparently when you put it on, you get web capabilities, and then you look like you've got shiny stuff all over you. This on the side of a building. How nice is that? They have their free Wi-Fi, and they even have like their password just on the side.
Just got a vanilla grande frappuccino. Starbucks. We're just walking home. We only have a J rail pass, which means that we can only catch certain trains, but we just got a train ticket, which means that we'll be able to catch normal trains as well. Also, I wanted to say one thing about Osaka. I love the bike culture here. You register your bike like a car in New Zealand, and they have bike pass, and then you can just park it out anywhere, lock it, and no one will steal it. See, look, there's one there. So the interesting thing about this area is that there's no pathways. The roads are the pathways, and then you just get out for a car, and then all these are houses on either side, and you just kind of walk through the middle. Welcome home.